y'all go get off your asses and come in here and watch this mess.
All right, YouTube, what is going on? First off, I hope y'all are having a beautiful, blessed day. Hope everyone's healthy, having everything they want in life, and if not, I hope you get it soon. So today, guys, I had Basher Queen carbon fiber shock towers, and I actually was somehow managed to crack it right there. I don't know if you can see the crack, but it's cracked. But I'm getting ready to pull it out of there, and obviously, Basher Queen warranty, just like she says. I contacted her, told her that it broke, and within days, 2 days, 3 days, I think, there it is. But we are not going that route again. We are going to put on an interject here real quick and say it's not because of the quality of Basher Queen, because they are strong as shit. I'm just going all aluminum on this truck, and the Basher Queen is actually going on my other XL. So just wanted to get that in the back for now, and the m2c brace for the wing. So, and Basher Queen also threw in some gaskets for free to me. Love you, Kimberly. You are amazing. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to get them on there, and then we got vitavon hubs and knuckles coming. They'll be on there. So, without further ado, we're going to get that on there and get her out ripping so we can hit that East Tactics long jump. Oh, yeah. Y'all about to see this thing go. We'll be back. All right, y'all. As you can see right there is the, right here is the brake. Sorry, trying to hold this phone, but yeah, you can see it snapped right there. And like I said, she sent out a new one, so there it is. You can see a little better. But that's the damage. It's all fair. We're gonna get that M2. Oh yeah. Mitch and Avery, thank you. One of these days, hopefully I can put your stuff to the test. Or maybe I just won't have to be good enough or up to your standards, but hey, that's alright. I'll keep buying them. Or we'll just switch to something else and leave yours alone. But we'll see. That's what it is. Beautiful machine work, as always. We'll see how it fits up, because I have had some issues with some stuff, not much. It's the rear wing mount. Rear shock tower brace. There's your part number. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this on there. We'll be back. All right, this thing is looking beautiful, y'all. I'll bring you on here real quick, let you get a look at her. And she is looking real nice. I must say, real nice. Good job, m2c. Went on there smooth. Looked nice, went on nice. So, all good in my book. This one anyway. So we're gonna get this on here. Get our other parts on here in a couple days, and we'll take this thing out. Hey, we paused during the middle for a minute. My kid, you know, you tell them you're doing something, be quiet, y'all, and they start screaming, "There's a fly, Dad, a fly! We're gonna kill it." All right, kill it quietly. You gotta sneak up on the hunt. Ah, jeez. Yeah, y'all got kids, you know what I'm saying. I love my kids, but my goodness, it can be stressful. Especially when you got two sets of twin boys. Man, my 4-year-olds are terrorists, I tell you. I'm gonna get them a little bomber vest for Halloween. My wife said, why? I said, because they're terrorists. What do you mean? No other reason why you do it, they're terrorists. All right, get off the way, out the way, 3DRC. All right, let me bring you all over here. Let's take a gander at that. Well, there she is with all her glory. The m2c rear shock tower from the EXB Creighton. And then you got your little brace supports that do tie right into your m2c center braces here. They go right down into the chassis, which is a Scorch chassis, titanium. But that's their theory. You hit the shock tower hard, then instead of it bending or breaking your stuff here, the shock goes through these braces directly into the m2c brace, down into here, and then it dissipates your shock throughout the chassis, is what you're wanting. So right now we got an m2c on the front, obviously Scorch chassis, 1650 kV hobby wing, max 6. What else we got? Some carbon fiber guards I cut out myself. We got some m2c hinge pins back here. We got m2c shock standoffs. We got hot racing emulsion style shot caps, RPM arms, hot racing diff cover, Yeah, in there somewhere. Y'all see him in there? Yeah. And what else we got here? Oh, you guys, this thing right here is the new m2c Pro. I just put a link on my channel in the video. This thing, you guys, is the newer, it's the Pro version of the regular 35, you know, the Amazon 35 kilogram turbo. But I'm telling you right now, this thing, I held my truck or my wheels still with my arm, and it turned the whole truck. It turns the whole truck, y'all. This thing is a phenomenal, and it's $40. So, yeah. Oh, and we got also Scorched RC top bar. We got Basher Queen titanium top plate. We got hot racing. Oh, steering belt crank and all that good stuff. RPM arms, 3D RC wing mounts, which enter Black Sheep at checkout. One word, 15% off your entire purchase. Also back here, we got 3D RC. This stuff's amazing, guys. I mean, the flex. There was when my phone cut off. The flex in this, yeah, phenomenal, guys. And I said Basher Queen titanium a minute ago. That is Basher Queen carbon fiber top plate. Titanium or Scorched RC top plate here. And then we got, what am I missing? What am I missing? Basher Queen carbon fiber servo holder. Oh, I got aluminum block up here and back here that holds my top plate that are aluminum. There's something I was just wanting to and forgot. I don't know what it was. Oh, Basher Queen shock tower in the front, carbon fiber, sweet, and then m2c dog bones in the center. Yeah, so, and I clearly need the m2c ones out here because look at these front ones. I gotta bend these straight before I even drive this thing. Look at that. Look at that mess. Same over here. Look at that mess. But there it is, y'all. And yeah, we're gonna get these Vitavon. Like I said, I got the hubs and knuckles from Vitavon coming. The aluminum ones, beautiful work that he does, and we're gonna get them on there. And I think this thing's pretty much tanked out, y'all. Like yeah, we're gonna get some beef caked up drive shafts and stuff, but she's a beast, y'all. She's a beast. If you ain't doing something you love, doing something wrong. Next time, y'all. More interjection, I lied. Could you all please, for the love of God, hit the like, subscribe. If you haven't already, please do so. I'm begging of you. Help a brother out.